Hello children, I am Nisha here, your English teacher. Hope you all are doing good. So children, in the last class what we have learned? We have learnt a poem named Good Morning. Okay. So even we have written the keywords for the same in the classwork notebook. Now we will be moving to the next main. The next main is question and answer, which you have to write it in the classwork notebook. The very first question, why is the child in this poem happy? Answer is, the child in this poem is happy to see the birds, sun, bees and the winds. Question number 2, to whom does the child say good morning? Answer, the child say good morning to the sun, sky, wind, birds, trees, grass and bees. Question number 3, what does the child want to do? Answer, the child want to play out with the sky, bird, wind, etc. So children, this question answer you have to write it in the classwork notebook. Moving to the next main. Now open page number 2 in the textbook. The next main is there in the textbook, which will be going through. Word building. Let's say loud. Find words in the poem which rhyme with. So there are 3 words given, children. You have to find a rhyming word from the poem. So the very first word is bees. So what is the rhyming word of bees in the poem? Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Next one, D-A-Y, day. What is the rhyming word of day? S-A-Y, say. Number 3, T-O-O, two. What is the rhyming word of two? Y-O-U-U. So these are the 3 words which you have to write it in the textbook. Okay, you don't have to write this in the notebook because previous class we have already done in the classwork notebook. Moving to the next main. What do you see around you during the day and at night? Draw in the 2 boxes given below and color the picture. So children, there are 2 boxes given. One box is about day and second box is about night. So what all things you see? Suppose like in the daytime you will see sun, you can see birds, you can see bees. So you have to draw the picture and then you have to color it. At the same way, night what you can see? You can see the moon, star. You have to draw a small moon and star picture and you have to color the same in the textbook. Moving to the next main, page number 3. Write 2 words each from the 2 pictures you have drawn. So now what you have to do, already you have drawn the pictures in the page number 2. So you have to write the name of the thing what you have drawn. So day, below the day column what you will be mentioning? Sun, bees. In the same way night what you will be writing? Moon and the stars. Okay, now next one is team time. So this you can do when our school will open. We will be doing this activity in the school. The next main is about grammar, which you have to write it in the classwork notebook. Children, do you remember we have learned parts of speech, and the very first parts of speech what we have learned? We have already learned about noun. Now this class we are going to learn about verb. Okay, which you have to write it in the classwork notebook. What is verb? Verbs are word that describes an action or talk about something that happens. For example, walk, eat, run, etc. So children, these are the words that tell you about the action of this subject. There are few words which I have given below. There are, that is walk, eat, run, etc. Now there is a exercise for you which you have to write it in the classwork notebook. Underline the verb in the following sentence. Few sentences I have given, children, where you have to find it out which is the verb word. So you have to say what action is going in that particular sentence. Now first one is Anthony is throwing the football. So what is Anthony? Anthony is a name of a person. Football is what? Name of a thing. Okay, so there are two nouns in the first sentence, name of a person and name of a thing. Now some word is connecting to both the noun, okay, like Anthony as well as football. Which word is connecting? The word throwing is connecting. So the throwing is a word that is called verb. These are the words that tell you about the action of this subject. In the same way, I will go through the second sentence. The dog ran across the yard. So what is the verb in this sentence? The dog ran across the yard. So ran is the action word which you have to underline. Number 3, the cat sat by the window. Number 4, the roof on the house leaks. Number 5, Mark eats his dinner quickly. Number 6, we went to the market. Number 7, you write neatly in your notebook. Number 8, I hear the train coming. Next, let's run to the corner and back. So there are few sentences what I have given. So children, what you have to do? You have to underline the verb. Okay, only two I have mentioned you what is verb. Remaining thing you have to do it by yourself in the classwork notebook. So for today I am going to conclude the class. Thank you children. Be safe at home, and what all keywords I have given, what all question answer I have given, just go through it and learn the same. At the same time, the good morning poem you have to learn and recite and upload the video till 22nd of August. Thank you children.